Welcome back to IMA Decor, where timeless design meets creative transformation. Today's journey is all about turning the overlooked into the unforgettable with trash to treasure English cottage farmhouse decor ideas and antique furniture restoration. If you love cozy interiors, soulful antiques, and homes that tell stories, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment to tell us which vintage style speaks to you most. Let's step into a world where worn-out furniture becomes rustic poetry. The heart of English cottage farmhouse style. English cottage farmhouse decor is rooted in warmth, nostalgia, and quiet elegance. It celebrates lived-in beauty rather than perfection, blending rustic farmhouse textures with romantic cottage charm. Weathered wood, soft floral fabrics, muted colors, and antique finishes create spaces that feel gentle and welcoming. This style invites us to slow down and appreciate craftsmanship, age, and patina. Every scratch and faded surface tells a story, making restored furniture not just decor, but a soulful part of the home's identity. Finding hidden treasures in unexpected places. Trash to treasure begins with the hunt. Flea markets, thrift shops, garage sales, and even roadside finds are goldmines for antique furniture restoration projects. An old dresser with peeling paint or a wobbling farmhouse chair may seem useless at first glance, but beneath the wear lies solid wood and timeless design. Learning to see potential instead of flaws is key. These forgotten pieces often carry craftsmanship that modern furniture simply cannot replicate. The beauty of time-worn imperfections. One of the most charming aspects of English cottage decor is its love for imperfections. Chips, cracks, and worn edges are not mistakes, they are character. Instead of erasing history, thoughtful restoration highlights it. Gentle sanding, soft wax finishes, and muted chalk paints allow the furniture's age to shine through. This approach creates antique furniture that feels authentic and emotionally rich, perfectly suited for farmhouse interiors filled with warmth and quiet charm. Restoration as a creative and mindful process. Antique furniture restoration is more than a DIY project, it's a calming, creative ritual. Cleaning years of dust, repairing loose joints, and reviving old wood connects us deeply to the piece. Each step requires patience and care, turning restoration into a mindful experience. As the furniture slowly transforms, so does our appreciation for slow living and sustainable decor. This process reflects the very soul of English cottage farmhouse living. Blending restored furniture into cottage interiors. Once restored, antique furniture becomes the focal point of a cottage farmhouse home. A vintage sideboard in the dining room, a painted armoire in the bedroom, or an old wooden bench in the entryway adds instant charm. Pair these pieces with linen curtains, ceramic vases, dried flowers, and soft lighting to complete the look. The contrast between old furniture and gentle decor layers creates a home that feels curated yet effortlessly cozy. Sustainability and storytelling through decor. Trash to treasure decor is deeply connected to sustainable living. Restoring antique furniture reduces waste and honors materials that have already stood the test of time. Instead of disposable trends, English cottage farmhouse interiors focus on longevity and meaning. Each restored piece carries a story, whether from a past owner or from your own creative journey. These stories give your home emotional depth that mass-produced decor simply cannot offer. Color palettes that enhance antique charm. Soft, nature-inspired colors are essential in English cottage farmhouse decor. Creamy whites, sage greens, dusty blues, and warm taupes enhance the beauty of restored furniture without overpowering it. These hues allow antique textures and wood grains to breathe. When paired with natural light, the space feels airy and calm. Subtle color layering helps antique furniture blend seamlessly while still standing proudly as a statement of craftsmanship. Creating a cozy, lived-in atmosphere. The goal of cottage farmhouse decor is not perfection, but comfort. Layering textiles like knitted throws, floral cushions, and vintage rugs around restored furniture makes spaces feel inviting. Open shelves displaying old books, pottery, and reclaimed decor pieces reinforce the trash to treasure philosophy. The result is a home that feels personal, warm, and deeply human, where every corner invites you to slow down and stay a while. Conclusion: turning the old into timeless beauty. Trash to treasure. English cottage farmhouse decor reminds us that beauty often hides in what others discard. Through antique furniture restoration, we give new life to forgotten pieces and create homes filled with history, warmth, and soul. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to IMA Decor, and comment below with your favorite restoration idea or vintage find. Together, let's keep celebrating timeless design and meaningful living.